Hello, grade 8. Additional method in solving for system of linear equations in two variables is called determinants or the matrix system. So we are going to use this in solving the following equations on the board. For x, we have that formula that CB over AB, and for y is AC over AB. So ABC are the coefficients, numerical coefficients. So shall we just demonstrate on the board for number 1? So this will be your first equation and second equation, so that when you have x will be equal to, so this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So CB for first equation is 3 and B is negative 3. For equation 2 is 6 for C and 3. For AB, for equation 1 is 2 and negative 3. For equation 2, 1 and 3. How to do this? You cross multiply, so 3 times 3 is 9, minus, that will be 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, and then 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Shall we just simplify this one? So that will become 9 plus 18 because of negative and negative. And that will be also 6 plus 3. So that will be 27 over 9, or simply 3. So x equals 3. Okay. For y, AC. So A, C, A, C. You have the same denominator because it is AB, so you just have 9. So 2 times 6 is 12 minus 3 over 9. So that will be 9 over 9. So that y will be equals to 1. So y equals 1. That is for number 1. So we'll go direct to number 4. So for x here, CB. So 9, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 1, and 1, negative 1. So 9 times negative 1 is negative 9, minus 1, 1 times 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, minus 1. So that is negative 10 over negative 2. Or simply that is 5. So x will be equals to 5. Okay, for y, AC, 1, 9, 1, 1. Denominator is negative 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1 times 9, 9. So negative 2. So that will be negative 8 over negative 2 is simply 4. So y will be equals to 4. Okay, that is determinants. Shall we do number 2 here? Number 2. So for x, CB, 7, 2, 1, negative 2. AB, 3, 2, 5, negative 2. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14, minus 1 times 2, 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, minus 10. 5 times 2, 10. So that will be negative 16 over negative 16 is simply 1. Okay? X is 1. For y, AC 3, 7, 5, 1. Denominator is negative 16. 3 times 1, 3. 5 times 7 is 35. Over negative 16. So negative 32 over negative 16 is simply 2. So y equals 2. So that's the way how to do determinants. Okay, last. For number 3, x will be CB, 17, negative 5, 1, negative 5, 2, negative 5, 6, negative 5. Shall we multiply? So 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 85, negative. That will be plus 5, plus because of the negative. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, plus 30. 6 times 5 is 30. So let's simplify. Negative 80 and 20. So cancel, so that will be negative 4. So x equals negative 4. Okay. For y will be AC 217, 6, 1. Denominator is 20. 2 minus 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 1, 102, 20. So that will be negative 100 over 20, and that is negative 5. So y equals negative 5. So that is called determinants. Just follow the formula. For x is CB over AB and y is AC over AB. That is called determinants or matrix.